guys, it's not even coming out. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. As you can see by the title of today's video, I am going to see the new Spider-Man movie, and I'm so excited. If you guys have watched some of my previous videos, you would have seen and heard me talk about how I've been binging all of the old ones, and I got tickets to see the new one, and I'm finally going today, which I'm ecstatic about. So yeah, I don't know what else I'm going to do today, but I'll let you guys know, and I'll bring you along. I'm probably not going to be able to film in there, but I am going to a dine-in theater, which I'm even more excited about because we're getting like real food, not just popcorn and candy. Like, we're literally getting mac and cheese and burgers and fries and tater tots and so much yummy food while watching such an amazing movie. And I'm with my boyfriend, who's not going to be in the video, but I'm with him and we're going together. So yeah, we're in the parking lot of the movie. It's 2:22. The movie starts at 2:45. We got here like really early, but it's okay. We're gonna go and sit in the theater and wait. I'm really so excited. We were up last night till literally like 4 something in the morning. We got McDonald's Uber Eated and we were watching the Avengers movie. So we woke up at like 1:30, showered, got ready, and got right in the car to come here. So literally all we've been doing is like watching movies. I've heard so many people talk about this movie, like personal people that I know that have seen it, and also like people online who have said this is like by far the best superhero movie like ever. So it looks like a packed theater. There's so many people walking in. Let's go inside and I'll show you guys our seats and stuff. I got really good seats. I literally got these tickets the day that the movie came out and I'm proud of myself. I'm really one to like get shit when it drops.
Format with AMC Stuff's A-List. Join A-List.
You guys, this movie is in 3D. I literally had no idea.
Arcade app now and get ready.
Let me know how I'm gonna put these on.
Hey movie fans,
Over my
when help us
glasses.
decide what's movie,
Oh
join
my
the
god!
behind the scenes panel.
I feel like Tony Stark.
Even better. Movie fan. Thankfully, Newbie Tree placed a flex with endless movie trivia.
The 3D goggles. That looks really good. Thank you. Hi, Mama. Yo quiero besos. Por favor, besos. Good morning, everybody. Buenos dias. Are you in the table? Also. Look at what you did.
Beijo, tia Beta. Mwah. Mwah.
You just got lipstick on her. Mira. No es comida, niña. What are you doing to the napkins? It is 2:05 and I didn't get to film anything yesterday after the movie really because I went to MQ's house. It was pitch black out and I just hung out, then went home, had dinner with my mom, and then did my laundry, watched some TV, edited, showered, like a whole bunch of boring stuff. So I didn't really vlog, but I'm here today to bring you along on a little bit of my day today, only because my mom and I just filmed a drive with me, so that will be Vlogmas Day 21. It won't be like a vlog, but I figured I'll bring you along, finish out this video, only because I edited it last night and realized that it's only like 4 minutes from the footage I got yesterday. So that movie, Spider-Man No Way Home, I have no words. If you guys have not watched it, and even if you're not into Spider-Man, you need to go and watch it. MQ and I are going again tonight.
That's like crazy.
Like, literally, we got tickets again to go see it because I just can't even. I need to go watch it again. I cried, I kid you not, 5 times. Everybody in the movie theater was so interactive, clapping, standing up, like at scenes.
What was so special about it?
Don't
It was just
worry,
so good.
you need to go watch.
All
Like, I
right.
wish I could like talk to you about it right now. Like, I don't want to spoil it for you guys because you literally just have to go and see it for yourself. But
Yeah, but does
holy
everybody
shit.
need to watch all the other ones first?
Yeah, but like everybody that I know that's seen it or online have said it's like the best Marvel movie of all time, and I honestly have to agree. We are going to the office today. Our trunk was literally filled with boxes. I'll show you when we get to the office, but we just dropped them off and then like drove somewhere to film the drive with me without like my back seat filled with boxes and stuff. That's what's going on. I'm gonna bring you along. We have a whole bunch of stuff to do at the office, packaging some holiday orders, sending stuff to some influencers, organizing a little bit because there are so many new things that we have that we need to like put on shelves, put on racks, put in drawers, do like all little things here and there. Okay, so as you guys can see, my dad, my mom, and I just finished unloading all of these custom boxes for EP Jewels that you will get with each order. So yeah, I'm literally obsessed with them. I'll show you what they look like up close in a second, but this one is the bigger box with my logo, and then these ones right down here are the smaller boxes for rings and earrings with the little teddy bear on it, and then right down here are the new button pouches that are microfiber. They're literally so cute, and now I'll have my mom help me show you guys what they look like because I literally can't do it while holding the camera, but these ones just have a button like so. They're literally so cute, and these are for travel and stuff, and then depending on what you order will determine which box you get. So this one is for larger orders, and then these ones are if you just order 1 or 2 things. I could honestly just show you like this, but we're gonna put something inside the box to show you what it looks like. So this one, the bigger box, just has this pull tab right here, super pretty in satin, and then this right here is the new pouch. Like I just told you guys, it's microfiber, and this is perfect for travel and stuff. Obviously buttons open and close. This is just adorable. And then the smaller box is a magnet enclosure like this with the little bear logo on it. It's absolutely adorable. And this one is if you order 1 thing. This one is if you get multiple things. So as you guys can see, this is the flat Cuban chain, which I am wearing right now. I'm literally obsessed with it, and it looks so good inside of this box. Like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. Here are some of our pieces inside of the boxes. The 4 and the G are part of our newest collection, the bubble collection. So this is the single digit bubble number necklace, and this one is the bubble letter necklace. They both come in silver and gold, and this one comes in double digit as well, 0 to 9 or 00 to 99, and then this one comes in A through Z. And then of course our bestseller, the gold cross necklace. And then right here is our smaller box with one of the rings in it, and then the pouch with the packing card. So yeah, we're gonna start packaging some orders. I just wanted to show you guys our boxes that just came in because they're just too beautiful. This chair is so fun. So it is now 4:29. We've been at the office for the whole day pretty much, since like noon. But yeah, this is present day. You guys are watching this video literally like in a few hours. I usually would have posted by now, but I've been so busy here, so I need to upload the footage that I filmed today, add it to the video from yesterday, the footage that I got yesterday at the movies. So I just want to show you guys some of the influencers that I'm sending PR to, the new bubble letter collection, some digits, some initials, in gold and silver. That's what that's looking like. My mom's packaging some orders over here, and here are 2 of the necklaces inside of the little box that has the bear on it. Literally the most cutest thing ever. And I packaged the last 4 giveaway winners from the holiday giveaway. Thank you to everyone who entered the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways, and stay tuned for more giveaways coming very soon. That's what's going on. We're gonna finish packaging all these orders. What's that beeping? I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog for the drive with me with my mom. I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on the past 2 days-ish of my life.